Okay, here we go. Uh, how to start the wheelbarrow tiller. So I put the pulley on. Focus, focus. Okay. And then the way it works is when you pull this thing, it tightens the pulley, and so it engages the machine. So it's as simple as that. So okay, so to start it, you just make sure the fuel's on, put it on choke, put this on, pull the rope, and once it starts, you just move this thing, release the choke. So you just have to put this cover on, and then that cover, and then it will be done.